Conversation 1.
Did you finish the report yet?
Yes, I did it yesterday.
What about the slide presentation?
I have not done that yet. I will try to do it today.
Okay, but please do it soon. We need it.
I'm on it.
Conversation 2.
Have you paid the electricity bill?
No, I thought you were going to do it.
No, you said you were going to do it.
All right, I will do it tomorrow.
Never mind, I'll do it.
Listen, I said I will do it, all right?
Conversation 3.
What do you do on the weekend?
I usually go to the gym.
Oh, what do you do for a workout?
I usually lift weights.
I do too.
What do you do for cardio?
I run twice a week.
I do too. We have similar workout routines. We should work out together.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Conversation 4.
Have you walked the dog?
Yes, I did it this morning.
Did you empty the cat litter box?
No, I haven't done that yet. Should I do it now?
No, it's okay. I can do it.
Thanks. It slipped my mind.
No worries. I just better do it soon so the cats don't get angry.